Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to log in into Facebook if I forgot my email and password. So what you have to do, go to your browser and search for facebook.com, and here go to Facebook's login and sign up page. So it might take a while to load. Let me just turn on my mobile data, reloading it again. And here go to forgotten password. Now give your mobile number to search your account or your email address and then search it. And once you do it, you have to just they'll send an email uh, with a verification code on your email address, and then you have to just put up the code in here, and then you can change your password and log back into your account again. So yeah, this is it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.